Hi guys, welcome back to InfosecTrain. My name is Devyani and today we have Mr. Shrikant with us. He's a cybersecurity expert and a trainer at InfosecTrain. Hi Shrikant, how are you doing?
Yeah, hi Devyani, I'm doing great.
Okay, so Shrikant, information security, as the name suggests, is very crucial as it helps in protecting one's important information, I suppose. So why don't you tell us something about it, like what is information security?
Yeah, coming to the information security. Okay, information security is not about securing the information. Okay, we are safeguarding the company's confidential information. Okay, so we are storing the information, right, and we are sending the information from one place to the another, right. So whenever we are sending the information, whenever we are storing the information, that kind of information must be secure. So that way we are here and we are providing the security for the information. Okay, so safeguarding the company information from the unauthorized access, we can call it as information security.
Okay, what are the three principles of information security?
Yeah, coming to the information security principles. Okay, these principles we can call it as pillars of security: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. First, coming to the confidentiality, guys. First, so every company is dealing with the sensitive information, right? That kind of information should be confidential. Like everyone in the company are having mail IDs and password. Okay, so every password and every mail ID should be confidential. Okay, so we will be ensuring the confidentiality by doing encryption techniques. This one we can call it as confidentiality. Next, coming to the integrity. Okay, so integrity we can ensure the integrity by doing hashing. Okay, every file, okay, every data, okay, we will be having some hash of it. Okay, we will be doing and we will be comparing the hash and we will make sure that the file has not changed by doing the hashing. Okay, that is integrity. Coming to the availability, guys, so every authorized person and the information, the sensitive information should be available for the every authorized person for the 24/7 365 days. Okay, that we can call it as availability of the data. Okay, so the information whatever we are maintaining, that should be available for the authorized users and genuine users all the time. That we can call it as availability. This one we can call it as principles of security.
Okay, and what are the types of information security?
Yeah, so there will be many types. We can call it as application security. Okay, and coming to the another type of information security, we can call it as cloud security and infrastructure security. So these all types of securities comes under information security.
Okay, thank you for your time, Shrikant. If you want to know more about information security, you can check out our courses at www.infosectrain.com. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.